Hello, hello from warm and humid Da Nang, Vietnam again. This is again a brand new episode of Successful on Purpose podcast. This is Eni Edwards. I'm a Saladmaster dealer based in Chicago, and I have a brand new guest again. And we have a very young generation of Saladmaster here. So I will let her introduce herself. Go ahead.
Hi everyone. Hi, my name is Precious Oconer. I'm a dealer in Hong Kong. Our dealership is Tastier Limited. And actually, I'm not the CEO or not the exact dealer. It's actually my mom. But they say I'm the COO, which is child of owner. Yeah. So yeah.
So as any Asian family, yeah, it's common that, we step in when our family needs help, we step in, yeah? So that's what you exactly did it. So you used to have your own life outside of Saladmaster, but you decided to quit your full-time job and join your mom's business full-time, yes? What did you used to do? What used to do before?
I used to be a civil engineer actually. So I was working in Hong Kong for a few years, and when my mom had the opportunity to become dealer, she was kind of hesitant because she was by herself. But so I decided to step in and help her out to help manage the business. So yeah, like mostly admin stuff. So I decided to resign as a civil engineer and help my mom out.
So from civil engineer straight to Saladmaster, yeah? So how long you been now with as a dealer in Hong Kong?
So since 2018.
So 2018 you've been active dealers in Hong Kong area. So over these years, from 2019, so you are now 6 years, almost 7 years in business. I'm sure you've seen ups and downs, in this business, and you went through COVID, and then you recovered from the COVID. Now you have a new era again, starting. And Asia is such a big market, and we have such a big growth expecting in the market, especially in Asia, Southeast Asia, and Australia right now, and we are expanding rapidly in this area. So, as a dealer in Hong Kong, what do you think will the future hold for Saladmaster in Hong Kong market?
So I think Hong Kong is quite a big market. The population is quite big, very dense. It's a big city. Quite a lot of people, like mixture of people. There's Filipino, there's Indians, it's a hot pot or a melting pot.
It's a very melting pot.
Yes, a melting pot.
Such a melting. Yeah. It's a very unique city country. Yes.
So I guess there's already a lot of Filipinos who already have Saladmaster in Hong Kong, and we're really targeting locals and other groups.
Yes.
So that's what we've been doing, and we're hoping that in the future that we'll be able to break through all those other markets. Yeah.
Sorry for the background noise. We are live recording in event hotel that we are staying here in Da Nang, Vietnam. But I would like you to continue on the topic. So did you have any mentors when you started this market? Who helped you to start this market up when you just started this market?
So it's basically my mom. She's really been in the business since 1986. She was part of Saladmaster. The 1986, there were dealers who came to Hong Kong, and then that's from there. Well, she had to stop because she got married. She had us, and then 2015, that's when the UK dealers came to Hong Kong. Yes, so that's when they found my mom, and from there they're the ones who told us, who helped us in training and everything from the UK. So yeah, shout out to Tita Rami. Yes, and then from then on, me and my mom would be working together. Do everything that we can in Hong Kong. And it's been great. Although COVID happened, and COVID passed, COVID was quite great for us in Hong Kong because
it forced people
to really stay home
and cook.
And plus, like no one could fly during COVID time, right? So they would stay in Hong Kong. So they would find ways to where do they want to spend their money. So they spent money in Saladmaster. So it's really good.
Very interesting. Very interesting. So over the years, you went, different stages and ups and downs. And if somebody may be watching us right now and they're thinking about joining the business or thinking about it becoming a future dealer, what would you tell them?
I tell them make the first step, like really decide, because it really will change life. Because for me, yes, I decided to help my mom be in a dealership, but there's a reason why I really decided. Because we went to this one LCE in the Philippines, and Tito Pidoy,
yes.
who's the SVP or the Senior Vice President, he did a whole talk about working smart and working hard. And as a civil engineer, we would be in constructions and like different, construction sites. So it's kind of like a lot of work. And during that time, I was quite new as a civil engineer, and I was like, maybe I'm working too hard. So you kind of get burnt out. But here in Saladmaster, I saw that like you can work and have fun and really enjoy life. Yeah. It can really change your life. Really. So, and I saw it from my mom too. My mom saw the vision, and I saw it too. So that's why, yeah.
So as a dealer, you are basically, you're managing finances, you're managing cooking shows, you're managing your office, your consultants, and so on, so on. What was the maybe like a difficult moment, a turning point for you, and how did you deal with it, and how did you get out of it?
Okay, so there's a lot of difficult periods.
Yeah.
Like you being a business owner.
Yes.
Like there's so many different difficult periods, but you just really have to, be resilient. And really, like for us, we have I'm a Christian, and I really believe that the Lord is there to really to provide and to help and to guide. So having God and having the Lord be the center of not just the business but our lives. I mean, even the hardest things that happens, we're still we have this peace of mind, and that we will,
that belief
that it will be
inside.
Yes, that everything will be fine, and as long as you really work hard and really go through and be resilient in whatever hard times you're in. Like one thing, when I was in school, and I remember one of my speeches, there was by Robert Schuller, tough times never last, but tough people do. So really just be resilient and keep going, and whatever hard times there is, have the Lord in the center, and everything will be good.
So as a young generation, you are one of those younger generation. I was just talking to dealers that have been in business 46 years. 46 years. What a legacy, yeah. Right. What a legacy, and they started from the humble beginnings and to be promoting 10 plus dealers that are still successful and still in business up to today. So it's a very generous, very giving, and very family oriented business. So you've been much longer than me. So I've been in business 3 years. So you've been longer than me. So you I'm sure you've seen even more than what I've seen. But for me, when I entered this business and I continue to be so proud and so thankful that I met and I decided to join this business, is that concept of continuous. Not only that we have a very strong community, our dealers are all over the world, but for you, what's unique about Saladmaster business? Why would you stay in Saladmaster in long term, and how you see your future in Saladmaster?
Okay, so just going back to when I went to that LCE, right? So not only did I see the whole working smart and working, but I saw the dealers. That's what kind of you sparked wow, Saladmaster is just not any brand or any organization or whatever. It's really something anyone can be successful in Saladmaster. There's like the other dealer that they were like drivers and stuff, but now they're like multimillionaires. And it's really anyone. They don't choose whoever, like, oh, maybe just the elite or whatever, but anyone can be part of Saladmaster. I think that's something that is very special with Saladmaster. And it's like you can do something worthwhile because it can really change life. You know, like you're sharing about health, nutrition, and like the cooking part, the cooking system, the amazing things about Saladmaster. And you're not just sharing that, but those people who you share it to, their lives get changed. And yeah, I think that's really what's special with Saladmaster.
Where you see your future going?
So, future going, definitely gonna be in Saladmaster forever. Because my mom and I'm very happy with it. Of course, we want more younger generation to be part of Saladmaster. We even have a millennials group, and we want to even the younger generation to join because it's something that's really amazing. It's hard for me to express how amazing it is and how grateful I am with what Saladmaster has given our family, my mom, and yeah, it's something that is very, very worthwhile. So yeah, in the future, still dealer and hoping to go higher level and be more successful. Yeah.
Because Hong Kong is kind of, it's a unique market too, Chinese are very, outgoing. They eat out a lot. Yes. They socialize a lot and they have parties all the time. Yeah. It's very different than, what we are used to in the US. Yeah. So it's a very different lifestyle. And do you feel like Saladmaster brings something unique into the Hong Kong market or this Asian market? What do you think, or what makes us unique in that market?
I guess no, like really, because of what Saladmaster can do in terms of like healthy cooking. Like there's a lot of people who love health, like being healthy, right? I guess Hong Kong is no different. Like there's a lot of people, even locals who are into healthy stuff, and I guess we really need to find those people who are like into that, and it's once they see and realize how amazing it is, what Saladmaster can do, I think it can really change even though it's like people would be like, oh, going out, like eating out all the time, but at the end of the day, they will still want to be healthy and they will still try their best to eat at home, eat healthy home cooking. Yeah.
I know you are super passionate about Saladmaster, obviously, yeah? But do you have any other hobbies? Do you have any other things that you enjoy doing?
Well, I do a lot of actually editing, like video editing and those things. So quite a lot of things as well. Like I play keyboards, I play bass, and so yeah. I mean, those are my other hobbies, I think. Oh, and I love eating. That's a hobby. I love eating. I love cooking. It all comes down to Saladmaster.
Yeah. Because the funny part is, I really didn't like cooking. I was never really a big cooking person. I'm a big eating person, but was not really a very big cooking person. And when I started 3 years ago, Saladmaster, I was just, even though I was an owner previously, before I joined the business, for 16 years, I was an owner. So I was an owner, I had that cookware at home, but I really learned about the magic of Saladmaster 16 years later and decided to join. Didn't really have a big vision or big picture in my mind, but I'm like, wow, this is so exciting. And when you are super excited and you want to spread that message, when you see a great movie, you want to tell everybody, go watch that movie, because it's such a great movie, and that's exactly the same thing that's happened to me, that from a person that really avoided kitchen as much as possible, became like a super chef overnight, almost overnight. And a lot of people think that I'm a professional chef or I love cooking or stuff like that, but I tell them, you know, I don't cook it, and if it's more than 30 minutes, I wouldn't cook it. So, and I can cook multiple dishes in under 30 minutes and be done with it.
Right.
And actually enjoy the company, enjoy the other things in life, and that's what that Saladmaster allows us to do. And a lot of people don't understand what's wrong with her, you know, what is she so crazy about this and all that stuff. But the thing about this business that gave me not only valuable, you know, input into my family's health and food and eating and all, because I'm a big, you know, healthy lifestyle geek, and I just you know, research and test and do all kinds of stuff, and I teach detox classes and all that stuff. So I'm very passionate about that topic. But as we know, you know, health starts in the kitchen. You know, it's all starts from the kitchen, and your food can be a medicine or your food can be a poison. Yeah. So that's why I think our mission is more on education based. Yeah. Our mission is to educate, to bring this message to as many people as possible, because everybody deserves. Yes. Everybody deserves a good health and good food. So, anything else you would like to say that people should know and would like to? What would be your message to the world?
Like in every cooking show, sometimes I would actually say it that anyone can retire from cooking, right? But no one can retire from eating. Yeah. Like you need that eating, you need that food, you need that nutritious food in your body. And so like it's really something that, you know, everybody should have. Like what you said, everybody deserves to have Saladmaster. And even if you're not a professional cook, you can become one. And it's amazing how you can quickly whip up a recipe and just be done with it and really spend time with your family. I think that's great. That's great. Yeah.
Thank you very much again, Precious, and I'm super happy I met you here. We had an instant connection when we met, and certain people come to your life with certain purpose, and I know, you know, we were meant to meet somewhere in the world, and I hope to see you again very soon. Maybe in the US, maybe in Asia, maybe in Australia, or maybe in Hong Kong, So I love Hong Kong. I love the food scene, the culture, and the vibe of the city is such. You can't find it nowhere else. It's a very Hong Kong. You know, when you say Hong Kong, you know, it comes. The vision comes in front of your eyes. This is what Hong Kong is, and it still is. After when I came first time to Hong Kong, I don't remember what year was that, and I came, you know, through Hong Kong to Da Nang, Vietnam. So I stayed one day in Hong Kong, you know, roamed the streets, you know, went around, you know, checked out different places, and it is, you know, a very unique city. So thank you very much again, and
thank you so much.
I wish you and your team, your business, best of success and abundance, and you know, everything best of the best, and we hope to see you sometime soon. So we'll see you next time again at our next episode. Stay tuned. We have a bunch of other wonderful guests lined up, and I can't wait to, you know, interview them and present you with their story of Saladmaster and their passion and love for the business. So have a good night, and we'll see you again.
Bye-bye.